Hello and welcome to Primary Mandarin. Level A, age 5 to 6 years. Unit 1, Me and Myself. Lesson 2, to explore, good morning.
第二课
Part B, building blocks. Key structures, listen and repeat.
绿宝绿宝
Which means, green treasure.
小鸟，小鸟，
Which means, little bird.
泥藻，泥藻，
Which means, good morning.
Oh.
Which means, oh.
泥藻
泥藻，小鸟。
Look at how these two characters, for you, in the greeting, are the same.
你
Are these two characters for morning the same?
藻，
Yes, because they are representing the same word. How many different characters are there? Yes, there are 4. Listen again to the dialogue.
泥藻
泥藻，小鸟。
Now, you try reading it.
小鸟，
Is the name of our bird character.
小
Changes when it is said on its own. It means little.
鸟
On its own simply means bird. Let's try saying these two words again.
小小
And.
鸟鸟
泥藻，
The first word of the greeting changes.
你
It means you. The second word means morning.
藻，
Now, you try saying the words again.
你
And.
藻，藻，
Let's look again at all the vocabulary we have been learning. Number 1,
小鸟，
which means little bird. Number 2,
小
which means little. Number 3,
鸟
which means bird. Number 4,
泥藻，
which means good morning. Number 5,
你
which means you. Number 6,
藻，
which means morning. Our next and final, Lesson 2 video, will be character writing. For more information and resources, visit our shop at www.learnasyouteach.com. We hope you have enjoyed exploring. Good morning.